Yes, Agamjot, you have sent. Yes, I checked it and I get it. I sent back to you. You're raising hand. I know that you have sent the homework. Now you're not. You're no longer be a defaulter. And I send it back to you. Okay. Chaliye. So some of the question from exercise 14.1 they are left. So let us continue and afterwards and we'll start with the next chapter. This is copy the figures and punched holes and find the line of symmetry you can draw with respect to these punching holes. See, such kind of questions, they are just activity based questions. So I would like to tell you by doing it on a paper, page of paper. Suppose on a page of paper, two punching holes are given to you. On a page of paper, two punching holes are given to you. One punching hole is here, another punching hole is here. दिख नहीं रहा है ना पेज पे. Anyhow, you just imagine. चलो मैं यहाँ पे आपको बना देती हूँ, फिर फोल्ड पेपर पे करके दिखाती हूँ. One punching hole is here, another punching hole is here. ठीक है? And he says, with the help of these punching holes, you find the line of symmetry of the given figures. Line of symmetry of the given figures with the help of punching holes. When you are having this page of paper and you are folding it, two parts will definitely going to overlap each other. Half part is at the lower end and half part is at the upper end, right? And the center line will become the line of symmetry because center line is making one hole overlapping the other hole, punch hole. So for this, to find the line of symmetry, you will just take its center line. जो भी आपके पास फिगर है ना, आप उसको अपने पेपर पे प्लॉट करके देखना. Accordingly, you will find the line of symmetry. Right? जैसे कि हमारे पास नेक्स्ट फिगर है. The two punching holes, they are given like this. Two punching holes, they are given like this. So we have to do the folding of the page in such a way such that the two punching holes, they will overlap each other. So line of symmetry, it will be like this. When you will cut it in two pieces from the center line, diagonal line, and you will overlap the two pieces on one another, you will see that this punch hole and this punch hole, they are going to cover or overlap each other. Am I clear? ठीक होगी बात? चलिए. Similarly, you can do the other parts. Let me tell you about K part. You have to make the line of symmetry in such a way. वैसे तो circle है, infinitely many line of symmetry होती हैं, but we have to go according to the position of the punching holes, right? So one line of symmetry can be like this, in which when you will get the two parts and you will place one on the another, this half punch will cover this half punch, this half punch will cover this half punch, and this full punch will be covered by this full punch. One way is this, and there is another way also. According to this punch mark, there is another way also, and that is this one. One half punch to the another half punch, one half punch to the another half punch, one full punch to the another full punch. Right? So यहाँ पे you have to make the line of symmetry according to the punch holes. Next में क्या है? You are given the line of symmetry and you have to make the punch hole accordingly. This is also activity based. I would suggest you to do it on the paper and then start the solution. I'm taking second question and B part. Suggest the another punch hole. Naturally, when this is a line of symmetry, it is cutting from the center from this line of, you can say, symmetry. Then the two pieces you will be getting. And when you will place one piece on the another, definitely this punch hole will be directly parallel to it. Like this. You can take a page of paper. You can mark a line of symmetry and one punch hole anywhere. And you fold it and make a mark with the help of the compass. You will get the second punch hole accordingly. Okay, this is activity based. Rest of the parts you will do yourself. In third question, half part. Yes, Karthik.
यस मैम. मैम जो ये हमने पंचिंग होल्स मैम इसमें सिमेट्री बनानी है मैम. जो दूसरा पंचिंग होल जब हमने बनाना है उसके बीच में लाइन मारनी है ऐसे जैसे आपने अभी मार के दिखाई है.
लाइन तो ऑलरेडी बेटे बनी हुई है. लाइन तो ऑलरेडी
मैम नहीं, जो आपने सेकंड पंचिंग होल बनाया कि जो उसके बिल्कुल पैरेलल होगा उसके बीच में भी आपने एक लाइन ड्रॉ करके उनको किया.
ये नहीं, ये तो मैंने ऐसे इसको सीधा ऊपर लेके गई हूँ. ठीक है,
Okay.
आप इसको हेल्प ऑफ पेपर से करना, चाहे पेपर पे करके पेपर छोटे छोटे पीसीज ऑफ पेपर चिपका देना अपनी कॉपी पे. ठीक है, whatever you will do active with the help of activity on the page of paper, छोटे छोटे से slips you can paste it on your homework notebook for the better picture of the question. So the next question, we are given the line of symmetry and half of the figure along with and half of the figure is to be made accordingly. So I'm taking firstly it's a C part. Third question, C part. ठीक है, so the half of the figure is to be made. You know, the figure is symmetrical about the line of symmetry. That means whatever figure you will be having on one side, the same shape of the figure you will be having on the other side. That is what line of symmetry applies. That is what the property of line of symmetry. Avneet, send your holidays homework. I can see you, Samriddhi. You haven't sent your Hargunpreet. Bache, send your holidays homework. So you have to make the same figure here. Identical part on the other side of the line of symmetry. This will guide you that what is to be made on the another side. I'm taking E part, second question, E part. Line of symmetry. Half of the pentagon is drawn here. And half we will draw on the other side. Of the line of symmetry. Right? Rest of the parts you will do yourself. Question number 4. Fourth question. He says there are some figures which are having multiple lines of symmetry. Some figures are there which are having multiple line of symmetry. You are provided with some figures and you have to draw their multiple line of symmetry. See, first part I am taking. This is the figure of which multiple line of symmetry is to be drawn. You should be very clear that we will go according to the figure. Design के according हम नहीं चलेंगे. बीच में design क्या है? No doubt, when we are drawing the line of symmetry, design should be, you can say, delivered or should be scattered or should be separated symmetrically. But we will go according to this triangle, and we are knowing that triangle is having 3 lines of symmetry. So accordingly, we will draw this. अब यहाँ पे हमें जो लाइन ऑफ सिमेट्री है वो 120 डिग्री के अकॉर्डिंगली नहीं बनानी. We are not talking about rotational symmetry. We are talking about line of symmetry. This line will divide the figure into 2 identical parts, right, one on right side, one on left side. Another line of symmetry, multiple line of symmetry we have to draw. This is another line of symmetry. One lower to this, another upper to this. Third line of symmetry, you will draw it like this. One above it, another below. वैसे ये center मिलना चाहिए था. So the figure is having multiple line of symmetry as shown in the figure. Multiple line of symmetry means more than one. 3 lines of symmetry. I'm doing D part. 4th question, D part. Fourth question, D part. This is the figure of which line of symmetry are to be drawn. So one can draw it like diagonally in this way. Same part of the figure is above this diagonal, and same part of the figure is below this diagonal. ठीक है? Another line of symmetry you can draw in this way. One part of the figure is above this diagonal and another part of the figure is below this diagonal. Keeping in mind that when we are drawing the line of symmetry, the 2 parts of the figure, they should look exactly same. Only then that line can be considered as line of symmetry. Right? Rest of the parts you'll do yourself. Question number 5. Yes, Jasmeet.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, I have a doubt in 14.2 H part.
14.2 H part. Just a minute, wait.
Second question का H part.
Okay. कर देती हूँ मैं explain. Just a minute. एक question इसका रह गया, वो करके करवाती हूँ. Now, 5th and 6th question, they are again activity based question. Who is this Raghav? Hashtag Raghav. Hashtag Raghav की जगह roll number Raghav होना चाहिए. Right? चलिए. Question number 5th. We are given a figure 4x4 square figure is given. Yes, Korish?
यस मैम। मैम जो पेज नंबर 272 पे जो ट्राइडीज दिए हुए हैं मैम, उसका सेकंड क्वेश्चन का एक टाइम फोर्थ पार्ट भी आप रिपीट कर दो, एक्सप्लेन कर दो।
ओके, कर देती हूँ. आई एम टेकिंग योर डाउट्स, जस्ट अ मिनट, वेट. So after finishing this question, I am taking it out. So take any one diagonal as a line of symmetry and shade a few more squares to make the figure symmetrical about that diagonal. First of all, see the shaded squares. This one, this one, second last, इधर से second last. He says take one diagonal as a line of symmetry. यहां से पॉइंट से निकलता हुआ I am going to draw one diagonal. Take one diagonal as a line of symmetry and draw more square to make the figures symmetrical about the diagonal. When you will cut this shaded figure into two parts by cutting it from diagonal, the second piece you will place it on it. 90 के ऊपर 90 को आप टिका दोगे और ये शेड इसके ऊपर आ जाएगा, ये वाला शेड जो है वो नीचे चला जाएगा, ये शेड इसके ऊपर आ जाएगा, ये शेड नीचे चला जाएगा, right? That means it will be like this. If I mark it. ऐसे होगा ये फर्स्ट वाली, इसके ऊपर दूसरा ट्रायंगल मान लो आके बैठ गया, सेकंड ट्रायंगल इज सिटिंग ओवर हियर. So to make this figure, so that this figure remains symmetrical, इसके लिए अब हम और कौन कौन से स्क्वायर शेड कर सकते हैं, this we want to tell. इसको कर दो डायगोनल के ऊपर डायगोनल, you can shade this one. अगर आप ये शेड कर रहे हो तो इसके ऊपर जो फोल्डेड पड़ा है उसका आपको ये शेड करना पड़ेगा, और अगर आप ये शेड कर रहे हो तो इसके ऊपर जो फोल्डेड, अगर आप ये शेड कर रहे हो तो इसके ऊपर जो फोल्डेड पड़ा है उसका आपको ये शेड करना. So these two more squares you can shade if you are drawing one diagonal as a line of symmetry. वैसे भी आप सीधा भी देखो सिमेट्रिकल बन रहे हैं, इधर दो ऊपर दो ऊपर दो, डायगोनल के राइट साइड पे दो नीचे दो, इधर भी राइट साइड पे दो ऊपर दो, ठीक है. So these two more squares can be shaded if we want to draw diagonal as one line of symmetry. He says, can you draw another way of line of symmetry? Yes, another diagonal can be the way to draw line of symmetry for this figure. ठीक है. सिक्स्थ क्वेश्चन अपने आप करना, जस्ट ड्रॉ करके आइसोमेट्रिक सिमेट्रिकल मिरर ऑब्जेक्ट बनाना है, दैट इज एक्टिविटी बेस्ड ट्रूली, तो यू कैन डू. जैसे कि यहाँ पे मैं आपको बता देती हूँ, ये जो यहाँ पे सीढ़ियाँ सी लगी हुई हैं ऐसे, सेकंड फिगर में आपने सेम इधर की तरफ जो है वो ऐसे मार्क कर देनी है, एंड सेम नीचे इस तरह से सिमेट्रिकल उसको ऑब्जेक्ट बनाना है पिंस होल्स की हेल्प से, ये अपने आप करना। चलिए, सो 2 डाउट्स दे आर बीइंग आस्क्ड। चलिए, लेट अस कंटिन्यू, लेट अस डिस्कस दोस डाउट्स दैट द स्टूडेंट्स आर हैविंग। हाँ जी कार्तिक।
यस मैम। मैम एक ना आपने जो टेस्ट मैम डाला था मैम,
हाँ।
उसका जो फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन था ना मैम, उसमें थोड़ी सी कंफ्यूजन है
क्या
मैम।
था?
उसमें आपने ऊपर ना 4 एक लिख, मैम वो क्वेश्चन था गिव इक्वेशंस फॉर द फॉलोइंग स्टेटमेंट्स। मैम उसके आपने ए पार्ट के ऊपर ना सिर्फ 4 नंबर डाल के नीचे एरो डाला हुआ है
हाँ,
मैम,
वो
वो
मैंने,
कहाँ पे ऐड करना है?
वो वहीं पे जहाँ पे एरो है। पूरी स्टेटमेंट बोलो, आई एम
मैम
टेलिंग यू व्हाट वाज द स्टेटमेंट यू
मैम
रीड
फर्स्ट
आउट।
स्टेटमेंट थी थ्राइस अ नंबर इज मोर देन 19। मैम
Is-
इसमें 4 ऐड होना है।
Is 4 more than 19?
ओके
Thrice a
मैम।
number is
एंड
4
मैम,
more than 19.
एंड मैम बी पार्ट था उसका 2 टाइम्स अ नंबर डिक्रीज्ड बाय 8 गिव्स 10।
हाँ, I'm sending you the keys, answer key. You match
ओके मैम।
first, then tomorrow you will discuss if you are having any problem. Okay?
ओके मैम।
चलिए. So 2 doubts are there. Two 72 page पे fourth part, it's being asked. I'm making it and then I will explain. पेंटागन के हिसाब से अगर हम चलें ए बी सी डी ई, फर्स्ट रोटेशन विल टेक ए टू बी हियर, next rotation will take A to be here, next rotation will bring A to be here, next rotation will bring B to be here, and the last rotation will bring A to be here. So after revolving it 5 times, A will come back to its original position. And after turning it, ये था हमारा टर्निंग पॉइंट बीच में 72 डिग्री का एंगल होगा, 5 टर्न है 360 डिग्री डिवाइडेड बाय 72, दिस विल गिव 5. सो 72 डिग्री के टर्न पे हमने 5 टर्न्स पूरी करी, हर एक टर्न पे इसका जो शेप है दैट रिमेन्स द सेम. सो एंगल ऑफ रोटेशन 72 डिग्री, ऑर्डर ऑफ रोटेशन 5, एंड 5 टाइम्स रोटेट करने के बाद A comes back to its original position. ठीक है गौरीश? ओके. चलिए, नेक्स्ट वन मोर डाउट इज बीइंग आस्क्ड, that is 14.2 H part, second question. H part. अब मैं इसको जितना ड्राइंग कर सकती हूँ उस हिसाब से कर देती हूँ ड्राइंग. ए ऊपर जाएगा बस। ए ऊपर जाएगा। चलो मैं बता देती हूँ। जब हम इसको इस सेंटर से रोटेट करेंगे, फर्स्टली ए विल कम टू द पोजीशन ऑफ बी। ऐसी फिगर आप बनाओगे, रोटेट करोगे, इसको रोटेट करोगे, बी जो है वो ए की पोजीशन पे आ जाएगा, फर्स्ट टर्न। सेकंड टर्न में A will come to position of C, and in third turn A will come back to its own position. So that's why it is having rotational symmetry, and order of rotation is 360 upon 120 degree angle पे हम इसको rotate कर रहे हैं like equilateral triangle. So it will be having order of rotation symmetry to be 3. Is it okay? Sure. So this is all about symmetry chapter. So now we are going to start with the last chapter of our syllabus, and that is congruency. Last chapter of our syllabus, congruency. Congruency, chapter number 7. Yes, Saksham and Smarsh, what do you want to ask?
यस मैम, मैम इस फिगर की कोई लाइन ऑफ सिमेट्री तो नहीं है ना?
नहीं, rotational symmetry.
ओके मैम।
चलिए, chapters number is going to be changed. Chapter number 7. Class 7th, chapter be 7th. Congruence of triangles. This is something that is going to be new for you. You haven't done it in the previous class. Congruency, its meaning, different type of figures who are going to be congruent, the rules and regulations for two figures to be congruent and all that. You will do it in 7th. In 8th chapter will not be there. No congruency question, no chapter related to congruency. And in 9th, full-fledged chapter of congruency is there. And in 10th, use of that full-fledged congruency chapter is there. So it means, first of all, in 7th, you should learn it carefully. In 8th, you will forget whatever you will learn carefully. And in 9th, we will make you recall what you have done in 7th class. I will just say, we know triangles are congruent. हम लिखेंगे we know, पर we don't know. हमें पता नहीं होगा कुछ भी जब हम 9th में आएंगे. Hope so कि हम 7th में इस तरह से करें that in 9th we should know a little about congruency, ताकि हमें थोड़ा सा याद हो. ठीक है, चलिए. सबसे पहले हम बात करेंगे congruent figures की. What are congruent figures? If I put one hand of mine, वॉरिश डर गया, कहता मैडम मैं मारने तो नहीं लगे. One hand on the another hand, then these two hands are totally overlapping each other. They are same in shape and size. इनकी size और shape दोनों की same है. बट अगर यही हैंड अपना यही एक हैंड मैं एक छोटे से बच्चे के हैंड के ऊपर रखूं, क्या वो दोनों ओवरलैप कर पाएंगे? नहीं ना. तो दिस विल लीड अस टू द कॉन्सेप्ट ऑफ कॉन्ग्रुएंसी. वी विल कंटिन्यू टुमारो. जस्ट keep this curiosity in your mind that what new thing you are going to learn tomorrow, right? That will help you to learn the chapter interestingly.